Let me ask you something that might be uncomfortable. If you tracked every hour you spent last week and put a dollar value on each one, based on what that activity actually generates for your business, what would the number look like? For most business owners, the answer is brutal. Hours spent on inbox management, scheduling back and forth, data entry, chasing invoices, sitting in meetings that didn't require you. Research shows that CEOs who delegate effectively generate 33% more revenue than those who don't. Think about that. Every hour you spend on work that someone else could handle is a measurable, calculable cost to your growth. It's time to change that. I'm Jeff, CRO and co-founder of ClearDesk. Today, I want to walk you through 8 specific ways to scale your business faster in 2026. The through line, connecting all 8 of them, is the same: protecting your time for the work that only you can do. Number 1 is auditing your current operations before you add anything new. This sounds obvious, but almost nobody does it. Before you hire or launch a new campaign, take a clear-eyed look at how your business actually runs. Note where things slow down. Pay attention to the tasks that keep getting pushed to tomorrow, because those are the ones quietly costing you the most. Most owners know where the friction is. They just haven't had the space to address it. The audit doesn't need to be formal, it just needs to be honest. Number 2 is setting goals that have real numbers attached to them. Grow the business is not a goal, it's a hope. Real goals are specific: a revenue target, a number of new clients, a cost reduction percentage. Break them into quarterly milestones. By the end of March, you'll know whether you're on track. And that clarity is the difference between a business that scales and one that stalls. When your team knows the goal, decisions become easier. You can ask, does this activity move us toward the goal? If not, eliminate it. Number 3 is delegating administrative work to remote team members. This is where the leverage is highest. Remote team members are full-time professionals who work exclusively for you, not freelancers juggling 5 clients at once. They integrate into your workflows and own specific functions. This is about building a team with genuine care and teamwork. Let's look at scheduling. The constant back and forth can consume hours. A remote scheduler owns this entirely for you. Then there's recruiting. Screening and interviewing takes 10 to 15 hours a week. A remote coordinator keeps your pipeline moving. Marketing and lead generation needs daily effort. A remote coordinator handles your visibility while you focus on priorities. And bookkeeping, invoice tracking, and payroll preparation are essential but don't require you. A remote bookkeeper keeps you organized. Delegation isn't just offloading. It's recognizing that an hour on scheduling is an hour not spent closing a deal. The math isn't close. Number 4 is building your team without adding the overhead that makes traditional hiring so expensive. Salary is only part of it. Office space, equipment, taxes, insurance, these push the true cost much higher than the offer letter. Remote team members save you between $11,000 and $37,000 per employee annually through reduced overhead alone. This isn't just financial, it's strategic. You can staff for your current needs without betting on where you'll be in 18 months. Number 5 is automating the repetitive processes that don't require human judgment. Email sequences, CRM updates, reminders. The right tools run these on autopilot. But the key is pairing automation with human oversight, not replacing it entirely. Someone still needs to monitor the systems and catch exceptions. The goal is to eliminate busy work, not the human touch. Number 6 is launching a Q1 advertising campaign. And the timing matters more than most businesses realize. January and February are when buyers are in fresh start mode. Decision makers have new budgets and new mandates. Businesses that show up consistently in Q1 capture attention before the market gets crowded. Early movers win the year. Number 7 is strengthening your cash flow management, because growth requires investment, and investment requires cash. Monitor your receivables and payables closely. Small cash flow problems caught early stay small. Don't let them stall your hiring. Number 8 is the hardest one: protecting your time for high impact work and ruthlessly eliminating everything else. Sales conversations, client relationships, strategic planning, these are the decisions only you can make. Everything else is a distraction. The businesses that scale fastest aren't the ones that work the most hours. They're the ones that protect their highest leverage capacity. At ClearDesk, we find that talent for you. Every person we place goes through our talent assurance protocol. If 2026 is the year you stop letting operational work limit your growth, book a call with us. Link is in the description.